Revelation, November 26, 2012. A very destructive snowstorm is seen coming to the northeast USA with a lot of wind. The wind picks up materials off the ground. There is what appears to be sand blowing. The appearance of desolation thereafter is evident. December 26, 2012. A major destructive snowstorm, responsible for wind, snow, tornadoes and a flurry of traffic accidents, battered the northeast USA on Thursday, cancelling thousands of airline flights. The storm dumped a foot of snow on parts of the United States, with the heaviest snow falling across northern New York and into New England. The system triggered tornadoes and left almost 200,000 people in Arkansas and Alabama without power on Wednesday. Dozens of homes were damaged and historic oak trees were uprooted. One jet skidded off the runway while landing, and in Virginia authorities responded to nearly 700 car crashes. The storm left behind a trail of destruction, including death.